It has been a very wonderful time to gather the governments of Uganda and CSOs. Religious leaders and cultural leaders have all been gathered here today, and it's a very exciting time that we finally get to speak about finances for women. It was not only the government making commitments, but it was religious leaders and cultural leaders making commitments to support women get access to financial resources.
To me, when women access resources and they are included in the economy, such as having access to credit, savings, and insurance, they can actively participate in that economy to generate income, first and foremost at the household level, but also to ensure that they contribute to the growth of the economy and the development of the nation.
Furthermore, I extend our appreciation to the President for providing a platform for women leaders through promoting gender equality and women's empowerment in mobilizing women in Uganda to support and benefit from the government women's programs geared towards empowerment. It's important, therefore, to keep women leaders updated on the different programs and revitalize their capacity to play their expected roles.
My name is Lilibet Namakula. I work for Public Health Ambassadors Uganda. We are a youth-led and a youth-serving organization, and we focus on issues of sexual and reproductive health, HIV prevention, youth economic empowerment, specifically looking at adolescent girls and young women. And lastly, we look at WASH with a focus on menstrual health and hygiene management.
When you look at the socially constructed roles that have placed women as caretakers, we still see a girl child drop out of school to take care of the sick while the boy child still continues to go to school. And all this impacts on their ability to be able to participate in community activities. And then we can also acknowledge that in terms of parliament representation, I think for the first time, we have more than a third of the women representatives in parliament. I think 35% of the positions in parliament are occupied by women. 35 is not bad, but when we compare with other countries, I will give an example of Rwanda. Rwanda globally has the highest women representative in parliament. They stand at 61.3%.
Now, Cabinet approved an amendment to the program guidelines to ensure that women up to 5 can form a group. So it meant that now the labor of looking for other like minds to access the program was actually women got some relief, because as few as 5 women could form a group and access the program.
Like for example, when I, a person, a woman with a disability, would like to benefit from any other program, I am always pushed back to the specific allocation. They actually tell you that you have your 10%, which is actually not right. That is promoting discrimination. So I'm bringing to attention that we also need to promote issues of disability and understand them as well.
Since 2019, we are trying to interrogate things around gender statistics. But you will even note that this is not only happening for women, but as a country, when it comes to statistics, then indeed we do not have statistics. Because it was even observed that when we went ahead and evaluated how far Uganda had progressed as far as implementing NDP3, when they were trying to do the midterm review, of course, one of the issues that they mentioned was around statistics.
According to a survey done in 2019 by the UN on women in development, when women control financial resources, the investments are more likely to prioritize education, healthcare, and social welfare, yielding long-term benefits for entire communities.
Key
that came out of the dialogue was that women are encouraged to join various networking systems where they're exposed to more information regarding financing. We also came up with a suggestion that the government should be able to reduce on taxation for more especially the small businesses that women are running. For example, somebody who is selling tomatoes cannot be taxed the same as somebody owning a big shop. So we're saying these considerations should be taken in so that women are empowered economically. We also urged women to network with each other. The civil society organizations should come on board to advocate for the women and also to support women. There is technical support required, and also to monitor all interventions geared towards women's financing and economic empowerment. This will foster collaborative engagements where all women and young girls can be brought on board regarding economy.